Business owners in Alaska and those thinking about starting up. Ever wondered about the behind-the-scenes paperwork involving getting a registered agent? Before we go over what a registered agent is and how to get one, give this video a like, press the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay in the loop about crucial information that can benefit your business. You might be thinking, what's a registered agent? Well, it's someone who officially receives and sends legal papers on behalf of your business. Think of them as the bridge between the government and your business. Important things like service of process, annual reports, and tax forms come through a registered agent. Now, why is having a registered agent in Alaska so vital? Well, the law in Alaska requires every business to have one. It's to ensure that the state has a consistent point of contact with your company. And let's be real, you don't want to miss any essential legal notices, do you? A fun fact for you. Did you know that 3 out of 10 businesses face challenges with keeping up with state compliance because they don't have an efficient registered agent? That's where we come in. Welcome to legalregistration.com. We are proud to mention we're the #1 registered agent service in the nation. Yep, you heard that right. The top spot. And we got there because of our dedication, consistency, and the trust businesses place in us. But wait, there's more. A little statistic for those numbers folks out there. Businesses with a reliable registered agent are 40% less likely to face penalties or legal challenges. Pretty neat, huh? So whether you're just starting out or you've been in business for a while, we are standing by, ready to serve. With us on your side, you can focus on what you do best, and we will handle the rest. Let's journey together and keep your business running smoothly in the great state of Alaska. To sign up for our registered agent service, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you can call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, does it make sense to you why registered agents are so important to businesses? Leave your comment below and let us know what you think. Please also don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can keep up with important business registration information.